Is Godzilla a marine iguana? True, in that movie Godzilla is explicitly a mutated marine iguana, but even in other films he has been mistakenly identified as some sort of overgrown reptile. The sea iguana, also known as the marine iguana, is a species of iguana that is found only in the Galápagos Islands, located in the Pacific Ocean off the coast of Ecuador. It is the only lizard species in the world that is able to forage in the sea, as it is an herbivorous reptile that feeds primarily on marine algae. Sea iguanas have a unique appearance with their flat tails, sharp claws, and dark gray or black coloration that allows them to blend in with the volcanic rock on which they live. They have specialized glands that allow them to sneeze out excess salt that they ingest while feeding on algae, which is an important adaptation for their marine lifestyle. Due to their isolated location and relatively small population size, the sea iguana is considered a vulnerable species and is protected by law in Ecuador. The conservation efforts of the Galápagos National Park have helped to maintain healthy populations of these unique reptiles, which are a popular attraction for visitors to the islands. The sea iguana is a highly adapted reptile with a number of unique abilities that allow it to thrive in its marine habitat. Some of its key abilities include diving. The sea iguana is an excellent swimmer and can dive up to 30 feet deep to feed on marine algae. It can hold its breath for up to 30 minutes and has a special mechanism that allows it to slow its heart rate and conserve oxygen while underwater. Salt excretion. As the sea iguana feeds on marine algae, it ingests a significant amount of salt. To prevent the buildup of excess salt in its body, the sea iguana has specialized salt glands in its nose that allow it to sneeze out excess salt. Thermoregulation. The rocky shoreline where sea iguanas live can be extremely hot during the day, but the reptiles have developed a unique ability to regulate their body temperature. They bask in the sun to warm up, but they can also retreat to the cooler water to cool down if they get too hot. Hit like, share, and please consider to subscribe to reach 1K subscribers. Camouflage. The sea iguana's dark gray or black coloration allows it to blend in with the volcanic rock on which it lives, providing excellent camouflage from predators. Marine iguanas are not actually social animals, but they are highly tolerant of each other, and will often cluster close together for warmth on cold nights. During the day they are very active and they can be seen basking in the morning sun prior to their first swim of the day. These large, harmless creatures were called hideous by Charles Darwin, as they are probably among the most grotesque-looking reptiles. However, they were an important species in helping Darwin form his theory of evolution by natural selection. You cannot keep a marine iguana as a pet. They feed on particular sea algae that are not available to you. How many marine iguanas are left? Marine iguanas are the only lizards on Earth that spends time in the ocean. They live only on the Galápagos Islands, and like many Galápagos species, they have adapted to an island lifestyle. Populations across the archipelago have been isolated from each other for so long that each island has its own subspecies. Overall, the sea iguana is a highly specialized reptile that has evolved a number of unique abilities to help it survive in its marine habitat. These abilities make it one of the most fascinating and iconic species of the Galápagos Islands. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more interesting videos.